Here, I'm just going to do a quick review about coordinate planes that we had learned about in my last video. This will be a short video just to review the most important concepts that we learned about a coordinate plane. So in a coordinate plane, we have the y-axis that goes up and down, the x-axis that goes from side to side, and our origin, which is where the two lines meet, or it's considered our home base. Our ordered pairs are the directions of how to get to a point on the graph starting from our home base. So remember, we always have to run before we can jump. And we write our ordered pairs by a parentheses, how far we're running, separated by a comma, and followed by how high we're jumping, and then we close the parentheses. So we always start off at our home base, which is over here. I'll put H for home, put an arrow right there. And we always run before we can jump. So to get to this point over here, I would have to run 2 spots, 1, 2, and then jump up 3, 1, 2, 3. And to write that, I have my parentheses, 2, comma, 3, close my parentheses. This is just one example. We'll quickly do how do we get to the green circle. So if I'm starting off over here and my green circle is over here, that's an arrow to get there. Okay, I need to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I have to jump up 1, 2, 3. So I would write that as parentheses 10, comma, 3. Close my parentheses. We can do the triangle as well. So if I want to get to the triangle and I'm starting off at my home base, I need to run 1 and jump 1, 2. So I would write that as 1, comma, 2. Remember, we always write down how far we run and then how high we jump. And let's do the star. So we are running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then jumping 1, 2, 3. So I would write that as 6 because we ran 6 first and then we jumped up 3. And then lastly, let's do our square over here. So starting off at my home base, we're running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I am jumping up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would write that as 8 because we ran 8 spots, and then I jumped up 10. So that was just a quick review, just going over coordinate planes. So remember, we have our y-axis over here that goes up and down, and then our x-axis over here that goes from side to side. We always start off at our home base over here at 0, and we always run before we can jump.